Okay, there he is, Mr. Innocent. Look at him. He says, I promise I won't eat the cat food the minute you walk out the door. Let's find out. I'm about to leave the house. Okay, over here is the cat food behind this barricade that I've set up. And I'm going to leave the camera run while I leave the house. You'll hear the door close, and that's when Benny will be alone with cat food. So here we go. I'm going to put the camera down. Okay, whoops. Get it to stand up here. I hope that's a good shot. I can't tell. Wait a minute. Yeah, that should do. Okay, now I'm going to grab my stuff and go. All right, Benny. Whoop. Oh, shit. You be a good boy. You be good. Don't eat that cat food. I'm leaving.